Most people searching for remote work get excited when they hear about easy online jobs. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Platforms like DataAnnotation are real, but they are not traditional jobs like most people expect. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking this is a guaranteed full-time career with steady hours. In this video, you will learn what DataAnnotation actually is in 2026, whether it is a real job, how it works, how much you can earn, and who it is best suited for. Let's break it down simply. DataAnnotation is a platform that hires remote workers to help train artificial intelligence systems. The work involves labeling data, writing short responses, evaluating AI outputs, and improving machine learning accuracy. A worker like Alex might review AI answers and decide which one is better or more accurate. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not hired as a full employee in most cases. You are working as an independent contractor completing tasks when available. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume AI work means high pay and steady daily tasks. In reality, the workload depends heavily on project demand and your qualification results. So let's go step by step. First, how you get started. You apply online and often complete a qualification test. A user like Jake might need to pass writing or reasoning tasks before getting access to paid work. Second, the type of work. Tasks usually include writing short answers, ranking AI responses, checking accuracy, and labeling content. The work is simple, but requires focus, consistency, and good English skills. Third, pay structure. Many tasks pay per hour or per project, but the actual income varies widely. Some users report decent hourly rates, while others get limited access depending on project availability. In a minute, here's the key insight most beginners miss. DataAnnotation is built for AI training support, not predictable employment. Fourth, flexibility. You can work from anywhere and choose your hours. A worker like John might complete tasks in the evening or during free time without a fixed schedule. Fifth, consistency. This is one of the biggest limitations. Work availability depends on ongoing AI projects, and some users experience gaps between tasks. Sixth, who it is best for. It is best for students, freelancers, or anyone looking for flexible online side income with writing or analytical skills. So is DataAnnotation a real job in 2026? Yes, it is a real and legitimate platform used for AI training. But it is not a stable full-time job for most people. It works more like flexible freelance micro work. To summarize, DataAnnotation is real, flexible, and beginner accessible, but inconsistent and project dependent. Your expectations will decide your experience more than anything else. If this helped you understand DataAnnotation clearly, like the video, comment your country, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that help you choose the right online work in 2026.